Hi friends, see you again. Welcome to my channel Davi Edition. Today I'm here and I will teach you how to make a perfect chapati flour. Make a dough, perfect dough for chapati. So you can see here all I have the flour or flour. Atta, it's atta. It's not different flour. It's atta flour or flour. So today what I have here, water, warm water. You can see I have warm water and I have oil. I'll use some oil. Okay, now I'll start. Before that, I already cleaned the flour. I already used this and cleaned the flour. I already filter all whatever it is, but actually it's clean. Okay, next I'll add little bit of oil. Not much, little bit. Let's see, okay. Okay, then slowly we will add water into the flour. We mix first. This is warm water, okay? Mix the oil first. Then slowly we will add water into the flour and we will mix it. Can you see slowly mix and make a small dough. Can you see I'm making a small dough. The flour already stick on the, the water already stick. Then I'm making like this. So keep it aside. So we will repeat the same method. Today I'm using 1 kg flour. Okay, the same thing. I'm mixing the flour and make it like a dough. I'll keep it aside. So I'll continue keep repeating the same method. Pour some water. You can see, keep it aside. We continue the other. Add water. I'm using warm water so that the flour will be nice, soft. Oh, sorry. Add more water. Can you see this part? Still need to mix the dough. Stick to the water. It's easy to make a perfect dough for chapati. It's only patience, you need patience. You have patience, you can do it everything. Okay, now I'll take the earlier dough, I'll just punch it. Can you see I'm punching it for first time? Mix it well. Okay. Okay, can you see the flour is over here? You can add a bit more water. I'm adding not more. Just can you take with your hand? Just flash it out like that. Just make it wet. Okay, I'll do it here also. Okay, now we will give punch to the flour. If you see the flour is still dry, you can add a bit of water. You can just flash it out like that, and then you can just punch it, punch. Give a box. In Punjabi, we say what it called? I'm not so sure. Sorry, I just doing this. You can see. If you feel the flour is still dry, you can add water. If you feel the flour is a bit hard, you can add still water still. Just a bit, not much. Okay. Now I'm gonna do like this. Just do it the same method, I think around for 5 minutes. Okay, if you think the atta is still hard, you can add a bit more water. Okay, we'll continue. See, the dough is already soft and nice. I'll do it again. I'll give it a punch for 1 minute more. I'll use both hands now. Both hands is easy. I'll add a bit more water. A bit, okay. Because the atta is getting dry. Okay. Add a bit more water here. Put it aside. Okay. With both hands I'm punching it, so that we will have perfect dough. Can you see? Okay, it's nice and soft. Can you see my atta? It's nice. Now I'll add a bit of oil, the same oil. Okay, I'll add oil so that the atta will remain moist, won't be dry. Okay, can you see, friends? Add oil and I'll rub it all over. Okay. Now I'll do it again. I'll give a punch on the flour, the dough. See, it's beautiful. The dough is so nice, soft and beautiful. So I'll do it again for the last time. Okay, can you see a perfect chapati dough? Okay, with this dough we can make chapati, we can make paronta, we can make puri. So this is the way for all the chapati, puri, paronta. So can you see? Very nice, very soft. It's nice. So I'm gonna make it rest for 15 minutes. Then I'll make roti, or I make paronta, or I make puri. Okay, so stay tuned for my next video. I will show you how to make roti. Okay then guys, if you like my video, please share, like, subscribe, and continue watching my next video, the next for chapati and paronta. So bye guys.